We are at Blue Hills Reservation, and we're just prepping for a mountain hike. We're gonna go for an overnighter somewhere in New Hampshire, Vermont, or Maine. We're gonna map one out this weekend and get ready for a good hike. So came here to do a little practicing on some distance. Just go out for the afternoon. So, and plus I got a new mount for Chewie. It's like an inch higher, so I just want to see how it looks. So we're gonna make a quick vid today. Have a mental walk, which is exactly what the GoPro does. Oh, you know what? I never had an injury hiker, but I viewed it out.
Hello. Hey, puppy. Hi, you see the dog?
What did you want on the side? Did you want...
Oh, there were different sides.
Oh, we are about an hour and 40 minutes into this hike, and it's very, very muggy. It's warm for the pup, so I think we're just gonna have a quick water break and just turn around. Actually, we'll probably take the red dots. We'll just keep it on a flat surface on the way back, and just stay in the shady areas with the canopy of the trees. But we're ready for our next adventure. Really beautiful path. It started off pretty rocky, but nice little side path here to avoid the hills. Be really nice in the fall foliage. I think I've already got a lot of leaf fall here. It's only it's not even September yet. I'm really looking forward to the fall foliage this year, especially with the sunglasses to help my color blindness. It's really gonna change the way I look at fall foliage. Everything's gonna be so much brighter. Visually, I live in a dark world. Oh well. We make the best of it. Just enjoying the trail and come upon this. Looks like just this big area was just, look at that, just fire. It's like a root fire. And it makes you wonder if someone was, you know, a lot of kids like to camp around this area because there's no one that's going to come out here to get them in trouble. What a mess. Could be because of the drought. Everything is very dry. What a mess. Oh well. What can you do? Visit it next year and see how much of it grows back. A lot of that is just gonna fall. Look at that, it's just barely that's just hanging on to another tree. A dangerous area. Get out of here. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere else. Just that area. I know what everyone's gonna say. But you get a lot of Boy Scouts in here and different things. They make lean-tos, little teepee areas, just for fun. Nothing, it's nothing else, if you know what I mean. It's not Bigfoot or anything out here making friggin' teepees and structures. Look, see? Another one right there. because I don't put much stock into that when I see stuff online with structures. I mean, I've seen some weird things in the winter time that stuck out, but there could be anything. No proof of it being anything but natural or people.